Hello everyone, I'm Vicky from Tsunami. Today we will be talking about how to choose the right Xenon tester chamber. Behind me are 5 standard Xenon tester chambers. They offer 4 optional wavelength bands, each with a corresponding irradiance level, so you can select different bands based on your testing requirements. Then how do we choose the right model? First, choose based on functionality. Decide whether you need a spraying function to simulate rainfall, as well as indoor humidity control. For best testing using only irradiance and black panel temperature settings, the compact benchtop SX1000 is your best choice. For applications requiring irradiance, blank panel temperature, and spraying functions, the space-saving SX1000H Xenon tester chamber performs well. Although it does not control humidity, it features a wetter spraying function. If you need both temperature and humidity control, the 3 larger models mentioned later are necessary. Thin, flat, and cutable samples are compatible with the SX2200H and SX6500H. Both are equipped with the rotating sample racks to ensure uniform testing conditions. Simply cut your samples to a suitable size for testing. Irregularly shaped structural samples can use the SX1000, SX1000H, and SX2800H models, which allow direct placement inside the chamber. However, the issue of their height needs to be considered. It also can be cut into shapes and placed. Your choice also depends on the size and shape of your samples. The benchtop Xenon tester chamber and the SX1000H can test 9 samples measuring 115 by 17 mm. The SX2200H can test 22 samples at one time. The SX2800H can test 25 samples in a single run, while the SX6500H can test up to 65 samples. Additionally, please take note, different models are equipped with different lengths. The SX1000, SX1000H, and the SX2200H use a single 1.8 kW air-cooled Xenon lamp. The SX2800H uses 3 1.8 kW air-cooled lamps. The SX6500H uses one 6.5 kW water-cooled Xenon lamp. Air-cooled lamps are ideal for budget-limited applications, small sample volumes, and portable use. Water-cooled lamps boast higher irradiance requirements and offer a longer service life. A chiller is required when using a water-cooled Xenon chamber. That is all for today's introduction. For extra large samples, we also provide custom non-standard Xenon tester chamber. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.